Hello and welcome. Today, I am going to share with you a complete 6-month learning plan to become fluent in English naturally. Yes, it is possible to sound confident, natural, and fluent in just 6 months, but only if you follow this daily shadowing routine. If you are a beginner, stay with me until the end. If you struggle with speaking smoothly, stay with me until the end. If you want to improve your everyday English, stay with me until the end. This is not just theory. This is a step-by-step guide. It has practical examples. It has useful phrases. It has daily shadowing exercises. You can copy and practice them every single day. Let's begin. Shadowing means repeating what you hear immediately. It is almost like an echo. For example, if I say, "How are you today?" you quickly repeat, "How are you today?" You don't just repeat the words. You copy the intonation. You copy the rhythm. You copy the emotion. This is the fastest way to sound natural because you train your mouth, you train your ears, and you train your brain at the same time. Shadowing is like going to the gym, but it is for your speaking muscles. The more you practice, the stronger your fluency becomes. Now let's break down the 6-month plan. Month 1 is foundation. Learn the 50 most common daily phrases. Shadow 10 to 15 minutes every day. Focus on clear pronunciation, not speed. Examples. Good morning. How are you? Could you help me, please? I don't understand. Can you repeat? Month 2 is routine building. Increase to 20 minutes of shadowing daily. Add short dialogues, not just single phrases. Example dialogue. Excuse me, do you know where the bus stop is? Yes, it's right around the corner. Month 3 is expanding vocabulary. Learn useful phrases for shopping, traveling, and meeting friends. Practice with short role plays. Examples. I'd like to order a coffee, please. Can I try this shirt in a different size? Month 4 is daily conversation. Practice for 25 minutes every day. Focus on natural connectors like actually, by the way, and well. Example dialogue. Well, I was thinking about going to the park. Actually, that sounds like a great idea. Month 5 is speaking naturally. Record yourself and compare with native speakers. Add emotional tone, excitement, surprise, agreement. Examples. Really? That's amazing! Oh, I totally agree with you. Month 6 is full fluency mode. Shadow 30 minutes daily. Mix topics like daily life, work, travel, and hobbies. Speak without translating from your native language. Example dialogue. What do you usually do on weekends?